Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Bluehost. First, you'll need to choose a domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Bluehost makes this easy by offering a free domain for your first year with most hosting packages. Aim for something memorable and relevant to your content. A .com extension is often the best choice for general websites, providing a professional and widely recognized presence. Next, it's time to select a hosting plan that fits your needs. For most new websites, the shared hosting plan is an excellent and affordable starting point. Bluehost offers several tiers, with the basic plan being perfect for one website. These plans often begin at a very reasonable price, sometimes as low as $2.95 per month, making professional web hosting accessible to everyone. With your hosting plan secured, the next crucial step is installing WordPress. Bluehost simplifies this immensely with a one-click installation feature, meaning you don't need any technical expertise. WordPress is an incredibly powerful and user-friendly content management system, powering over 40% of all websites globally. This quick installation will set up the foundation for your site, allowing you to start building immediately. Finally, it's time to bring your vision to life. Select a theme from thousands of free and premium options to customize your website's look and feel. Add your content, including key pages like About Us and Contact, ensuring all information is accurate. Once you're happy with the design and content, thoroughly review everything. When you're ready, simply click the Launch button to make your new Bluehost website live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.